I know I'm a mess. This is Darren with Confident Home Solutions, licensed general contractor, builder, remodeler in North Carolina. I just learned something. I was looking at this stir stick, and I noticed it's cut bigger on the one side, smaller on the other side. Now, I'm not for certain if that's a mistake or not. And then we got talking as we were riding to the job. I asked him, he says, how many paint rollers? I says, I brought one. And I says, we're just doing a patch job. So I says, I'll clean it out between primer and paint and just reuse that roller. And I was like, no big deal. I says, we got 5 and 1 in there. And he says, no. And he says, use the paint stir stick. See that right there? It fits it. It fits it. So I just learned something. So if you don't have a 5 and 1 here, now I've already cleaned it. I cleaned it, so this is already it fits. And then you actually have 2 sizes
for the smaller rollers.
For the smaller rollers. So yeah. Now it doesn't work as good as an actual 5 and 1, which
it's better than doing it with your bare hands, though.
Oh no, doing it this way,
yeah.
You don't cover enough of the roller and it won't clean out. Alright, let's go in here. Just got back. I just was thinking, oh man, I still can't get used to how clean it is in here. I grabbed a 5 and 1. And let me grab a paint roller. This is what we've always done. Here, let me come right in on the end. So that the 5 and 1, there's just no comparison. Sorry. This is what we've always done. The 5 and 1, you look at that. Fits gnarly. And fits pretty excellent for screeding that paint out. However, just like I showed you, in a pinch, let me see what side fits better. But either way, I've tried just doing it with something. That side fits pretty good. Either side works good. Even the small side works good. So yeah, and it cleaned it out. If you try to do this right here, like I already mentioned, just going down, you don't get anywhere. But I just use that rounded side. Either way, that's enough. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I don't know why I didn't know this sooner, but see ya.